Good morning, Kinder. How are you? This is Mrs. Orozco, and today we're going to talk about this word, subtract. We've been working on subtract for a few days now, and I hope you remember that what subtract means. Does anybody know what subtract means? That's right, thank you. It means to take away. It means that you have an amount, and that amount is going to get smaller because some of that amount is going to be taken away. Now, sometimes they're donuts to eat, sometimes they're apples to share, and sometimes they're flowers that you're going to give away to someone, right? So, depending on what the story is about, those numbers, they're going to be taken away. So, we're going to take apart some of them. And that number, the total at the end is going to get smaller. So let's practice some subtraction with me. Come on, we're going to go to our desk and I'm going to show you what I mean. All right, friends, so we're going to do some subtraction practice because I want to make sure we have this right before we do our own stories tomorrow. Okay, so here is Miss Orozco with big smile, curly hair. There I am. And Miss Orozco had 1, 2, 3 wonderful, yummy, pink strawberry sprinkled donuts. And in the morning, she had these in a box. And in the morning, she came to school and she saw the lovely Miss Ward. And she said, "Good morning, Miss Ward. How are you?" Miss Ward said, "Hi." And Miss Orozco said, "Miss Ward, would you like a donut?" And Miss Ward said, "I would love a donut." And so Miss Orozco offered her the donut, and so Miss Ward took this donut. So we're going to erase it because now it belongs to Miss Ward. See? Woohoo! So if Miss Ward took one donut from the box, friends, what do we have left? Can anybody help me? Okay, so let's start first with how many were in the box? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write 3. And when we subtract, we use the minus sign, the subtraction sign. And how many did Miss Ward take? She took 1. So if I had 1, 2, 3, but this one went over here, now I only have, let's count together. Ready? 1, 2. That's right, Miss Orozco is left with 2 donuts. Wow, you're doing great, friends. Let's try this again. Let's actually use, I'm going to draw Mr. Hilton. And Mr. Hilton is a wonderful, wonderful principal. And he said, "Teachers, I am so grateful for you. I brought you some coffees. Coffee." So he had 4 coffees. Okay. Delicious, warm, tasty coffees, especially on a cold morning like this, right? And he came to Kinder. And in Kinder we have, how many teachers do we have in Kinder, friends? That's right, we have 4 Kinder teachers. We have Miss Orozco. Hi. We have Miss Cardoso. We have Miss Ward. And we have the wonderful Miss Reeves. And so, Principal Hilton said, "I brought you all a coffee because it is a beautiful day and because I appreciate you." And we said, "Yay, we love coffee." So this coffee went to Miss Orozco. This coffee went to Miss Ward. This coffee went to Mrs. Cardoso, and this one went to Mrs. Reeves. So friends, how many coffees did we start out with? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that always goes first because that's what the number we started with. And then we subtract. Subtract. Ready? So we're going to, this one goes away because now it belongs to Miss Orozco. This one goes away because now it belongs to Mrs. Cardoso. And this one goes away because now it belongs to Miss Ward. And this last one belongs to Mrs. Reeves. So friends, how many coffees does Principal Hilton have left? We took away 4. And how many does he have left now? Oh, looks like he has 0 left. He has no more coffees left. Oh no. Poor Principal Hilton. He'll have to go buy another coffee for himself. That's okay. I'm sure he'll be fine. So friends, that was 1, 2, 3, 4. Subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 because we took his coffees, remember? And so that left him with 0. Are you ready for some practice? All right. So friends, we're going to get Go Math Volume 2, and we're going to open it to page 405. And so on this page 405, you notice we have some subtraction stories, and these stories are about students in class. So let's do one example. Ready? Friends, we have, how many students do we have in all in the classroom? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We have 3. And we are doing subtractions. So look, oh no, 1 left. He decided to get up out of his chair and walk out. Maybe he's going to recess or to the bathroom. So we're going to cross him off. And we're going to put that 1 student left, right? 1 student left. How many students are left sitting at the table? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2. Because remember, he left. He said bye-bye. So we have 2. And friends, you're going to do the same thing on pages 406. You have some students that were at the table, but look, 2 left. So what numbers would you put here, my loves? And then we have another. Look, these friends are at a station. They're at their block station. So we would count the total number of students and put it here. And then, oh, this one left. So how much is this one? We put it here. And then what is left, right? Because we had to take her away. And then on page 409, we have another one. How many total do we have? So we're going to count all of the students we have, and we're going to put it here. And then we're going to take away this one that looks like she's walking away because she's going home. And how many are left? And friends, you have these wonderful pages that tell you how to subtract, right? So you will be doing these today. I can't wait to see all the wonderful work you do.